Hi, welcome to Friend's Test Kitchen. Today we are making something fun. We are going to make popcorn salad from Molly Yeh. Yes, you heard me right. Popcorn salad. Popcorn and mayo. I know what you're thinking, but we're going to test it out and give it a try, and we'll let you know our true feelings about this controversial recipe. So the first thing we need to do is pop our popcorn. And Kat and I like to keep things simple. We are not lazy. We just like to be smart. So we used a microwave bagged popcorn. And when it's hot, right out of the microwave, you're going to want to sprinkle it with the white cheddar powder. She calls this the what's she call it? Magic dust. So we're going to start with the dressing. So for the dressing, we're going to include mayo, sour cream, Dijon mustard, cider vinegar, a little sugar. All right, and then mix that up really well till it's nice and smooth.
Look, I am optimistic, like a lot of stuff that we make, but popcorn salad with a mayo dressing, I don't know, it sounds pretty scary. And it was really controversial, like Gina said. It was like, what did she say? She said, oh, this is a Midwest favorite, something that you find in a church basement potluck.
Yeah, I've never heard of this in my life. Apparently, I have not been to the hip happening potluck lunches.
Okay, this is what. So I'm imagining that we probably have to serve it really quickly because that popcorn's gonna get like soggy, right?
Yeah, and that was one of the main negatives, was that people were worried about adding mayo to popcorn. It'd probably get soggy, and nobody likes soggy popcorn.
But that's not it only. It's just like, why would you make a salad with popcorn?
And that.
Well, if you don't know who Molly Yeh is, she is a chef that's featured on Food Network. She has a show that's called Girl Meets Farm, Farm Meets Girl, something like that.
She started out as a blogger first, and she has some cookbooks out. Yep.
Her thing is sprinkles. She loves sprinkles. She has like sprinkles of every kind that you can ever think of. So she does these little cute, whimsical recipes. So this is very fitting to her brand, but it's like, and it just sounds odd. We're going to add some vegetables, which is what makes it a salad. So to the dressing, we're going to add some thinly sliced shallots, cut sugar snap peas, some shredded carrot, and a little celery.
Oh, it's really pretty. Look at all the nice colors.
It is. This looks like a normal salad until, dun dun dun, we add in our popcorn.
We're gonna do it.
Let's do it. We're gonna toss it together really quick.
I can hear yours crunching.
Yes! This just looks like child's play.
All right.
Yep, and then to top it all off, she says because this is a salad, we're gonna add in a little extra green. So we're gonna top this off with some watercress, which I didn't have available where I was. So the closest thing to watercress is arugula because it has like that little spicy bite to it. So I'm just gonna pile it on top. And I'm ready for some popcorn salad. Gina, you ready to go?
Well, the question remains, because it's popcorn, do we eat it with our fingers or do we use a fork? I'm just kidding. All right, we will tell you the truth if this is really actually good or if it tastes as it sounds. Meaning not so good.
Let's go, popcorn salad, let's go for it. I don't hate it. That's a plus.
Yes, I don't hate it either. It's not as bad as it sounded. It's actually not that bad. I don't know that I taste the popcorn, to be honest. I don't know what I'm eating really, but it tastes pretty good. I kind of can't stop eating it in a weird way.
Me too.
I almost want to say it's good.
But why would you make this as a grown-up though? Like why?
It did say for best flavor and whatever, eating it, you should eat it right away after you make it. So I am curious as to how this would be if it sat out for like half an hour.
Well, I say that everyone should try this just to see because it's such a weird combination and it would be a conversation starter for sure at any potluck that you are invited to. People might think you're a genius or that you're weird. We didn't hate it. We don't know if we like it, but we can't stop eating it. All right, guys, thanks for joining Gina and I for this little weird concoction. Thanks to Molly Yeh for sharing this salad with the world. And make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any more videos. And we will see you guys next week. Bye.